Good morning, welcome back. We are having an emergency here on the homestead. No, it's not because it's below zero. We ran out of coffee. So for the time being, a nice slushy Diet Coke from the garage is going to have to work, which I'm not going to complain about. It's below zero. We have to go check on the chickens. We haven't been out there yet, but first I'm going to put some breakfast in the Instant Pot really quickly. Oats in the Instant Pot are one of the easiest things to do. It takes 4 minutes. You can make any size serving you'd like. The ratio is 1 part oats to 1.5 parts liquid. You can use water, milk, whatever you prefer. So we're gonna put a cup of oats here. I'm using this and I'm going to put it in my Instant Pot to cook because I just don't feel like cleaning out gooey oats from the bottom of that deep Instant Pot if I don't need it to make that much. We have a cup of oats in here and a 1.5 cups of water. We're gonna put a little bit of cinnamon in. We can put whatever toppings we want on when they're done cooking. Let's get this in the Instant Pot. Okay, so we have 1/2 cup of water in there, just enough liquid for the pot to come to pressure. We put a trivet in there. There's a better one to utilize for this, but I'm not really quite sure where it is right now. Put the oatmeal in there. And we're going to set it for 4 minutes. Some breakfast when we come in from doing our chicken chores. It is so windy. I'm sure you can hear that, but in tow I have some of the chicken's favorite treats, protein filled, to beef them up to withstand the cold. Okay. So, the coop door is locked. Oh, this is frozen shut. I'm gonna have to go get some water. Back to the house. We got a lot of rain before the snow. That'll do it. Now, the automatic door obviously malfunctioned. You thought you wanted out, but now that it's cold, you're not coming out. Okay, you can stay in there if you want. The great news is, look at this, ice-free water. I would say the water is a success. Eyeing it up? What's going on in here? It's probably best that they stay in there. So I'm going to take their treats to them. So we'll take some of their scratch. What do you think? Oh, they don't like me in their space. Now the best stuff, the worms. It actually does feel a lot warmer in the coop. I'd say that's the deep litter method in action. It's supposed to keep some heat in there. So we'll let them have their snacks in the coop. They have water out here that is not frozen, so I'd say that's best case scenario. Oh, this is frozen shut too. Ugh. We're going to collect the eggs really quickly. When the temperatures are this low, the eggs freeze. Case in point. So we can use this one for breakfast this morning, but you definitely want to get them before they freeze and crack. Only 1 egg over the past 2 days. It's a sign of winter. We're back in the house. Let's cook up our single egg since it was cracked. I put it in a little bit of warm water to defrost it. That is definitely still frozen. Our oats are done. Came out looking pretty perfect, if I say so myself. The Instant Pot, really a foolproof method. You can even put the water and the oats in the night before. Okay, I'm gonna get myself a bowl of oats. I'm going to add some of the applesauce we got out the other day. And then I have some cinnamon stevia syrup that I'm going to add a little bit of. We got breakfast done. We got our single egg cooked up here. Thanks for coming along and checking in on the chickens with us. We'll keep you updated as these cold temperatures and the storm continues, but so far very positive that the chickens are hanging in there and doing well.